Yeah, Ngatea Rugby League.
Here we go.
Adam,
G'day,
how are you? We're live, we're here. Up the wires, there we go. So, how's the muster going?
It's going pretty good, mate. We've got a bunch of kids over here, all 5, 7s and 9s, having a great game of touch. We've got a bunch of young fellas over here, 13s and 15s. Usually, we've got a heck of a lot of interest. They can't make it tonight, so they're registering online. It's really exciting to have the team, have the crew out here, especially this bunch of young ladies right here. We haven't had as many ladies as this turn up to a muster before.
Awesome, you guys will be playing rugby league for the mighty and Ngatea Rugby League? Yeah? That's it. Alright, well we're going to have, what do we go? We're going to look in the prize cupboard, eh? What should we do? Alright, here we go. Prize cupboard, beanie, no bullshit, rugby league.
Oh, you kids come around here. Run, 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 run. Mean. Just hold fire there. Let's get little ones in the front, down on your knees. And all you big ones in the back. Because I want to get a picture of you as dirty and as messy as I can.
You could be in the Warriors of those modelling ways.
Okay, this guy here. You, come with me. Come on, carry on playing your game, you fellas. We're just going to have a chat. What's your name, mate?
Ridge.
Yeah, you got to take your mouth guard out so you can talk properly, eh, Ridge? Did you play for Ngatea last year?
Yeah.
Was it your first game, was it first year of rugby league?
Yes, I think so.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
What'd you like most about it?
Trying.
Trying? Scoring tries?
Yeah.
Or trying really hard?
Trying really hard.
I've got a special guy over here, his name's Jason.
Hey, mate. Yeah, you got a good handshake, bro. What do we got? No bullshits. We're loving the rugby league. You can have that one for you, my man.
Put that on your head, mate. Any special messages for the rest of this year for rugby league?
It's so cool.
So cool. Who do you support in the NRL?
Warriors.
You support the Warriors?
Yeah.
Up the
guys
wires.
Give me a big one.
Up the wires.
Yeah.
Back in there, mate.
Get away.
That, for me, that smile on that guy's face is what this is all about. The learnings that the crew can take away, the discipline, the working through hardship, the teamwork, the camaraderie, just taking instruction. It's a great sport for everyone. No matter how good you are or how not or how not good you are, everyone's welcome. Here at Ngatea Rugby League, it's all about just participation, getting everybody out there. Performance can come with it, but it's not a big priority on our list. We just want to get kids in boots, getting dirty out there and having a great time. Parents come along and have a great time watching their kids improve and build and get better and stronger. That's me. Ngatea Rugby League 2025, let's get it.